Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to add friends on BeReal. To add friends on BeReal, first of all, open up the BeReal application on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page of BeReal, go ahead and tap on the Add Friends button. Now, go to the top of the screen and tap on the search bar. Type down the name of your friend that you are trying to add. After typing down the name, you will see a list of search results. Find your friend you want to add and then tap the Add button right next to them. Soon after you do that, you will be able to send friend request to the person. Once they accept it, you will see their daily BeReal posts on your feed and they'll see yours too. So that's how you can easily add friends on BeReal and get ready to start keeping it real together. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.